Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing Panda VPN and signing into your account. Make sure your subscription is active. Once done, close eFootball and all launchers so the game will pick up the new network. Now open Panda VPN, pick a server in the country you want to appear from, and check the ping. Choose one under 100 ms for smoother play. Connect and wait until the app shows a stable connection before moving to the game. Next, optimize Panda VPN for gaming performance. You should switch the protocol to WireGuard or an optimized UDP option because those prioritize speed and lower latency. This matters for match responsiveness. Then enable split tunneling so only eFootball uses the VPN while other apps use your normal connection, which reduces congestion. Also, clear the game cache and confirm DNS settings in the VPN app to avoid wrong geolocation. Finally, test a short exhibition match to gauge latency and stability. Now launch eFootball with Panda VPN still connected and select the regional options or content you need. You want to run a quick online match to confirm matchmaking and ping are within acceptable limits. Pay attention to packet loss and lag spikes. If something goes wrong, first disconnect and reconnect the VPN, then restart the game. As a key troubleshooting tip, reboot your router and try a different Panda server if latency or NAT problems persist, testing again after each change to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.